Damn, Court Cam, they very rarely upload. Son of a bitch. Teen sues parents. Good.
It's a broken family dynamic.
And a good camera at this courthouse. Very interesting.
How we got there, but we're here.
Next, we go to family court in Morristown, New Jersey. The plaintiff is 18-year-old Rachel Canning.
Oh, it's no big deal, Zach. It's fine.
Her own parents. The teen who claims she was verbally abused and kicked out of the home is suing them for financial support.
Oh, very good.
She's seeking $654 per week to cover private school and college tuition.
Wow!
And payment of her legal bills. The parents claim Rachel made her own decision to leave home, and as such,
Thanks to
is
Prime
not
Tits
responsible
and
for
Torment.
her bills. Even though Canning's 18, she claims she's not an emancipated adult and is still dependent on her parents.
Thanks to recent Eternal Gamers.
She's a vulnerable young woman, and her parents aren't taking care of her, and I'm asking the court to help her in this very difficult situation because they have...
The dad just wrote down, no chance.
And I believe that they are being negligent.
Nope.
And irresponsible.
Will not help.
These statements that they don't want to help her and they've left her on the street are so dramatic. There's no reason she couldn't come home to her household in her private school and her new car, but she didn't want to give up the boyfriend.
Uh-oh.
One of the
So it's a
driving
boy
forces
thing, huh?
Is that mom and dad don't approve of Rachel's boyfriend.
Why, does he drive a
It's
sports
transcript
bike?
from a phone call made by Rachel's
Smoke
mother,
cigarettes?
We gave her the ultimatum of breaking up with her boyfriend, and if she didn't break up with her boyfriend, then she wasn't allowed to stay past her 18th birthday. And that's the crux of it. That is the problem in this case.
But according to Rachel's parents, the boyfriend is part of a much larger problem with their daughter's behavior, which they've shared with Judge Peter Bogard.
They've raised several issues, and obviously several mistakes have been made. The young lady who is in court.
Isn't this case thrown out? She's 18.
Staying out during the week from 12 to 1 o'clock, drinking, brought home one night by a male friend's parent at 3 o'clock, intoxicated, school suspensions.
There's a laundry list of things here.
As a cheerleader, was removed from the campus ministry.
I don't think what the Canning's saying is true.
According to Canning, the verbal abuse she suffered at home was so bad, her private high school supported her decision to leave.
Wow.
Been behind this.
Can we get a rep from the school,
because
perhaps?
They see and they know that what's going on in the Canning household is not good for Rachel.
Unfortunately for Canning,
No, that
the
sounds cool,
decision
Wayne. I'll look
for
that
the
up.
money, known as emergent relief, is not up to the school. It's up to the judge. But after hearing an angry voicemail Canning left for her parents,
"You're a real winner, aren't you? I really just want to all over your face right now. Anyway,
Oh, I see.
have a nice life."
Jesus, okay,
he
well
has
then.
some strong words for the plaintiff.
That's a weird thing to say to your parents. I want to shit all over your face.
Child, whatever we want to call
It's like an
it,
Xbox Live insult.
shows such gross disrespect for a parent. The words that were used in a voicemail to her mother. Maybe you have.
It's not
I don't
right.
see it in my house.
I'm not exactly, you don't see it in your house. However, we also have the certification from the teacher where the mother is calling the daughter the same kind of name. So I would go...
The mother threatens the shit all over her daughter's face.
They're the ones who raised this child. This is the language that they're using in their household.
Interesting. So who's shitting on whose face then? The web runs deep.
Are we going to...
A family that shits together stays together.
Open the gates to a 12-year-old to sue for an Xbox? A 13-year-old to sue for an iPhone? Or how about a 15-year-old asking for a 60-inch flat panel TV? I understand the allegations that are raised in this case are far more serious than those types of material goods. But again, I'd like the full counsel to be mindful
Maybe give sub captain,
of a potential
resub mellow.
slippery slope here.
Finally, the judge makes his decision.
Yeah, I wonder what he's going to decide.
All requests at this time for emergent relief are denied.
Shocking.
Canning eventually returns
Stunning.
home and later drops the lawsuit. And in case you're wondering, she did break up with the boyfriend.
He's
Woohoo!
gonna be
Very good. Nice. Sounded like an asshole. Probably had a low KD ratio too in Call of Duty. Not even worth it.
Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam.
Alright, so what was it? Psychic.